Hello, my name is Kasim Raza Kelani, and today I am here to represent my mobile application, which name is Taleemabad. So, first of all, I want to tell you that there are lots of versions of Taleemabad app. So, there are some for Android, there are some for Apple. So, the version which I choose is for both, which is for Apple and for Google. So it works for both applications. So first of all, I would just like to tell you that my app link, you can access it on Google Play Store. So you can simply just go to here and you just click on the app link and you can just redirect to my app, which is the Taleemabad. So this video is sponsored by Dr. Javed Anjum Sheikh. Uh, they are our subject teacher. So this is my mobile app redesigning. My name is Kasim. As I told you that my roll number is this one, and I am from fourth semester. So let's start. Now just start the content. Table of content includes the introduction. First, we have to give the brief introduction of the application. So first we have introduction, then we have app testing. After this we have statistical analysis. And statistical analysis is divided into two parts, which is user interviews and code sorting. So the number four part is app redesigning based on the statistical analysis and code sorting. So number five, I have run a test for the new design carried out by my partner, which is name, her name and his roll number. So my partner have to do two things for me, or he recommend by accepted or he recommend by not accepted. So it's upon her that what he or she do. So after that I have the proportion of self critique. So you can also do a self critique. So if I think that there are some mistakes in my app, and if I think that these things will be there in a special category of this application, then I can do a self critique depending on the condition. So after this, let's start with introduction. So first of all, I just want to tell you that this application is 100% free, so there is no need to buy this application. You can get free application. So introduction, it includes alphabets, letters, activities, tests, grammar, link shapes, attractive pictures, and user-friendly interface. So in my applications, there are lots of things. There are alphabets, there are letters, there are activities, there are different tests, there are grammars, there are blank shapes, there are attractive pictures, and there are user-friendly interface. So in this application, you have a lot of content. There is a lot of content related to a kid, which can groom the mentality of a kid and which can also better to boost the mentality of kids. So there is a special portion for alphabets, there are special portion for letters, there are special portion for activities. Also you can do some tests. Mean if you want to put some tests, then you can do simply by giving some tests. Also there is a grammar section. Also there are blank shapes. Also there are attractive pictures. So there are a lot of content related to child. So it's good thing. So after this, I want to tell you that to specify the devices to which app will be delivered. My preschool activity app is for kids. So this application is basically for kids. Actually, it's a mobile application. So this application is for kids. Second thing is You can access it on Android tablets, Android smartphones, and any supported phone with mobile application. So on mobile app, it is available for download. You can easily go to Play Store or Apple Store and download this application. For iPhone, you can visit Apple Store to download the application. Don't forget to install the latest version because you know that applications have different versions. So if one version has some bugs, then the developer of that application will upgrade that version. So you can do latest version of it. Identify the interested user of the app. Children, this app is for the 2 age to 5 years age. So the kids whom age is 2 to 5 years can use this app. This app is for those kids, those people. This app is also accessed by teachers, parents. So you teachers and parents can access this app. Is this app for a free? Yes, this app is free. So let's come on app testing based on usability components. So first we talk about its learnability. So in learnability, there are no difficulties for beginners to learn the application. The app is very simple and easy to use. Even kids use themselves. So you can see that there is a very good, there is very neat and clean. Uh, there is a very good interface and there are very good topics which used here. So second thing is efficiency. In efficiency, once user learn the design, it is easy for literate users to perform the task, like teaching and understand English letters, alphabets, nouns, verbs, and many more things they can learn easily. So there is a good efficiency in this applications as user learned the design. It is easy for literate users to perform the task like teaching, understand English letters, alphabets, nouns. So everything is good and everyone can teach here and learn here. So third thing is memorability. Once user learn the design, it is easy for literature users to perform the task, like teaching and understand English letters, numbers, animals, birds, name, shapes, country, flags, vehicle, and colors. On the other hand, illiterate user interface difficulties because there is no Urdu version of this application. So there is a one side effect of these applications that there is no Urdu version of this application. As the application have data that is in happy faces that attract user a lot. You can check that users are attracting. So there are also some errors. The app lessons mind payment gateway not works properly. So it have to change and make it working. So it have errors. So you can check that you can purchase 100 plus lessons. So when we try to buy this section doesn't work properly. So I think that it have error. So then we have satisfaction. So there are proper voices with alphabets. When alphabets show on a screen, it also have a voice of it. So when is this very satisfaction for kids, they learned it easily. So when any keyword, anything come, it have a voice. So users can learn easily. So then we have an important portion of card sorting. That how we can do code sorting using interviews. So I just go with a lot of people. So this is the result of the interviews. which I have take different interviews of the different users. So this is the qualification of first person. It's 10% middle, 40% masters, 10% FSC about qualification, and 40% people I do interview are bachelors. So if we talk about its age, then greater than or equal to 40% people are have 30% 30 age, and some have less than 20 age. Then the age of kids, for 25% kids have 4 age, 38% kids have 3 age, 37% kids have 2 age. If we talk about his profession, then 10% are engineer, 30% are businessmen, 30% are housewife, and 30% are teachers. If we talk about profession, then 16% are security guards, 17% are clerks, and then we talk about mobile. 16% are using Vivo, 17% are using Samsung, Huawei 50%, and Vivo 16%. So, are you using any application? When I asked to the users, then 17% of people are said yes, they are using different application, and 83% said they are not using any application. So other question which I asked, that what was your goal when you want to use the mobile application? 17% said that it is informative, 33% said that it's better approach, and 50% said that it's simplest to teach. I just asked that what teaching method do you adopt to educate your child in preschool learning? 17% said they teach with books, 16% said that they teach themselves, and 67% said that other things. Can I show you something that help you in learning? 83% said yes, 17% said no. Then I asked that with the existing features, does the mobile application help you to achieve your goals? 83% said yes, and 17% said no. Is it easy to remember how to use register this app for you? 50% said yes and 50% say no, depend on their choice. Then I asked that, do you think using a mobile phone and visual aids can improve learning? 67% of them said yes, 33% of them said no. Do you think that this app is free from irrelevant material that will be not helpful for your kids? 33% of said yes, 67% of said no. Terminologies related to the task are appropriate. 83% said yes, and 17% of people said no. Then I asked that, do you think content is relevant, attractive, appropriate, and clear to you? Yes. 83% of said yes, and 17% of said no. What are your suggestions for improvement of the application? 36% said that you have to add more data. 46% said that it should have menu and Urdu language option. 9% said that it must have Urdu language option. Did the app help you accomplish to your goal? Yes, 83% said that they are accomplished by app, and 17% said that no. To which extent system support your overall learning? Great extent, 43% said, 43% said it is helpful, and 14% said no. Did the app help you to accomplish goal? Yes and no. How is the navigation of the mobile application? So some 17.5% said that it is good and understandable. So 25% said that no exit button. What do you like the most about the mobile app? 35% said animal sound, 18% said attractive, 12% said that cartoon icons, 35% said that bird sound. What do you like most about your mobile app? 67, 30% no label and 67 no exit button. Which features you like to use the most? 25% bird sound, 38% animal sound, and 37% letters. Now, let's talk about card sorting. I have four portions, five portions, sorry. Nursery, grade 1, grade 2, grade 3, grade 4. In nursery, I have added English, Urdu, Math, and Tarbiyat. Grade 1, because I think that grade 1 is upper age, so I add some new things. I add Islamic studies portion, I add prayers, I add name of prophets. So in grade 2, I also think that it's more upper than grade 1, so I add more things like alphabet names, like prayers, like kid cartoons. In grade 3, I add some more things, general knowledge and mental math to solve different mathematic activities. In grade 4, I add more things, body parts, and that's it, my card sorting. So I go with user 2. So I get same with nursery, English, Urdu, Math, Tarbiyat. English, Urdu, Math, Tarbiyat, Islamic studies, prayers, and name of prophets. In grade 3, I have English, Urdu, Math, alphabets, like that. Users 4, you can check that. It's also look like the same thing, user 4. User 5, I have grading nursery grade 1, grade 2, grade 3, grade 4. And this is for nursery, this is for grade 1, this is grade 2, this is grade 3, and this is grade 4. With new activities like Islamic studies, prayers, name of prophets, alphabet names, prayers, kid cartoon, mental math, general knowledge, prayers, stuff like that. In user 6, there are also like that activities. User 7, it's same like that. User 8, it's also you can check it out. User 9, you can also check this one. This is user 10. Now this is the analyzing of card sorting, that which card sorting is preferable by users. So this is the final version of the analyzing of card sorting final version, which is look like this. In grade 1, we have English, Urdu, Math, Tarbiyat, Islamic studies, prayers, name of prophets. Grade 2, English, Urdu, Math, Tarbiyat, alphabet, prayers, kid cartoon. Grade 3, English, Urdu, Math, alphabet games, prayers, kid cartoons, general knowledge, mental math. English, Urdu, Math, alphabet, prayers, kid cartoons, general knowledge, mental math, and body part. So it also look like this. App redesigning based on user interviews and card sorting. This is my existing design, and this is my proposed design. You can check it out. Existing design look like this, proposed design look like this. Existing design, in proposed design I have a Taleemabad portion. Taleemabad I have nursery, grade 1, grade 2, grade 3, grade 4. You can also direct go here and buy more options. Existing design look like this, and proposed design I have nursery, English, Urdu, Math, Tarbiyat. Existing design look like this. In grade 1 I add English, Urdu, Math, Tarbiyat, Islamic stories, name of prophets, prayers, like this way. In grade 2 we have English, Urdu, Math, Tarbiyat, prayers, kid cartoon, alphabets. In grade 3 we have English, Urdu, Math, alphabet games, prayers, kid cartoon, general knowledge, and maths bundle. And in grade 4 we have added a new portion, name is body parts. So you can check it also have English, Urdu, Math, alphabet games, prayers, kid cartoons, general knowledge, mental math, and body parts. So I just talked with you in the recently that the application buy option is not working properly. So when a user come to buy this application, it go with buy, then this option not works, just keep loading. So it's not working properly. So this cause some issues. So if we talk about proposed design, so there is a buy to get more lessons. There is a proper heading of it. Then there is a enter debit or credit card. Then if if user put exact debit or credit card, mean his credit or debit card is right and it also have money, then your payment will be done. If debit or credit card don't have money, then payment will be failed. So run a test for the new design portion carried out by name, roll number. So it look like this. If the recommendation accepted, then I will write accepted. If its recommendation will not accepted, then I will write it will not accepted. So let's check that what my user recommend me about my application. First, he said me that your all application is accepted by her. My app is carried out by Fatma Elias, his roll number, her. This. So all accepted, only one thing which is not accepted. Okay, now let's check that what she didn't accept. So she said that lesson should be free, it should be not be a paid app. So I all lessons are free, but there are some users who can pay, right? So the basic purpose of the mobile application is that they also earn. So if you can't, there is no option of buying, then they can't earn. So it can't make any sense. So that's why they have a paid option. So if any willing person can buy, he can buy. So that's why they have a buying option. So I said that for paid user buying option not working, that's why I add this gateway. So also the buying option gateway is not working there. I just told you before. That's why I add new gateway system. In this system, there is a buy to get more lessons. So we have retail. So the last portion in my application is self-critique. So everyone want to self-critique on their app, right? So in my application, there is a self-critique which I have done. So I can show you. I have plans to make this app again and add more features. So I think in the future that I will make this application on Unity or any Visual Studio. So the features which is not working properly, I will make those issues. I will do that properly. Like graphics, animations, as well as add some more features on. I will add some more features like educational features, like entertainment features. So I will add lots more features. So I will improve the graphic quality. I will improve the animation quality. I will remove all the bugs which is currently this app having. Moreover, this application I just told you that it's created on Unity. So it's very big application. I don't think so that this application will be on Unity. It will be on Visual Studio. So Unity is used for gaming, like gaming apps, on small gaming apps. So we use Unity. I think it's educational app and lot of content here, so it will be on Visual Studio. So I think that it's a bad effect. So which I think that this will not be there because such applications will be made on. As I told you that actually this is a educational app. So educational app, it doesn't make sense that we can make it on Unity. Unity is used for gaming purposes. We can make games, we can make these things on Unity, right? So it doesn't make any sense. So this is my self-critique on my application. Thanks a lot. If you find any more issues related to my PPT or related to my any work which I have just explained you here, then you are free to comment on it. I will improve it. So if you think that this thing will be there or here, then I can change it. So I just showed you all my steps. First I just repeat it again. I just uh, name app Taleemabad. This is the app logo. These are the contents. These are the introductions. This is the learnability. This is efficiency. This is memorability. Errors, satisfactions,